Teaching strategies for autistic children. Teachers without special education specialization often teach these students in mixed setting. I was talking with a special needs student about this subject. She said she really loved being in the classroom with her peers, that it was good for her because she made so many friends. And she knows that when she goes to college or work, there won't be an IEP. But that it was also good for all the other students to work with different types of people. It's great when we can really have these conversations when the students get a voice. Create a classroom routine. Students with autism appreciate routine. Non-autistic students appreciate routine too. So this is helpful to the class at large. If you're setting up classroom systems geared towards students with autism, chances are all students will benefit. Try this. Establish a pattern which includes a classroom greeting, a special starter activity, then similar transition cues and wrap-ups. Close the activity or day the same way. Setting up structure, clear expectation and routine. If you change the routine, be sure to use plenty of advance notice, verbal cues. Give fewer choices. Students with autism can get overwhelmed when given list-style selections. Try using just 2 choices. This helps declutter the landscape and yet still allows students to make a decision. Find their thing, but be aware of aversions. I've seen many autistic students. One was a debate master, another a political expert, a computer person, and a music lover. If I can find some way to tie my lesson into their area of expertise, it's going to be a good lesson. However, students with autism often have specific aversions. These can range from environmental to touch to texture. It's important to be aware if these exist. I don't always take them away completely. Noise is one example, but I introduce appropriate aversions in a controlled manner, and students have to express their needs for themselves. Treat them like any other kid as much as possible. Never underestimate the impact you can have on your students with autism. When you take the time to learn some autism-specific strategies and dispel the myths, it makes a critical difference. When you notice students with autism opening up, it's a gift. The fact that these strategies are often helpful to all students, it just doesn't get any better than that. When you travel through Autism Awareness Month, let everyone share stories. If you are experienced, please consider adding strategies and comments to this video, so that together we can improve education not only for students with autism, but for all the students in the classroom.